Imagine a world where the tiniest particles, far smaller than anything our eyes can perceive, carry the secrets of the universe itself. What if we told you that just recently, a new and astonishing particle has been discovered, a particle with the potential to rewrite everything we thought we knew about the cosmos? It's a discovery that is so significant, it could have far-reaching consequences for technology, medicine, and even the very fabric of reality. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality we're living in right now. The particle in question is known as the Amaterasu particle, and its discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. But why is it so important, and what does it mean for us as we continue to push the boundaries of what we understand about the universe? To understand the magnitude of the Amaterasu particle's discovery, we first need to step back and appreciate just how extraordinary it is. In the world of particle physics, there's always been a pursuit to understand the smallest components of matter. Scientists have long been on the lookout for the tiniest of particles, the ones that make up the universe and all of its forces. These particles, like quarks, leptons, and bosons, are the very building blocks of everything we see, touch, and feel. They determine how matter behaves, how forces interact, and how the universe functions on the most fundamental level. For decades, particle physicists have worked tirelessly to uncover the mysteries of the subatomic world. The Amaterasu particle is a recent discovery, but it has already made waves in the scientific community, and with good reason. The energy contained within this single particle is almost incomprehensible. Scientists have measured the energy of the Amaterasu particle at over 240 Exa-electron volts. To put that into perspective, that's an energy level so high that it surpasses anything we've ever seen before. Imagine a fully loaded high-speed train, hurtling down the tracks at top speed. Now, imagine all of the kinetic energy of that train being transferred to a single, minuscule subatomic particle. That's how much energy is packed into the Amaterasu particle. It's a concentration of energy so intense that it challenges everything we thought we knew about particle physics. But here's where things get even more mind-boggling: this particle comes from space. The Amaterasu particle is part of a cosmic ray that collided with Earth, traveling through the vast, mysterious reaches of space to reach us. These high-energy cosmic rays are constantly bombarding our planet, but until recently, we had no way of measuring or understanding the particles that make up these cosmic rays. Now, thanks to advancements in technology, scientists have been able to measure and detect particles like the Amaterasu particle for the first time. And what they've found is nothing short of astonishing. The energy levels of the Amaterasu particle are so high that they defy our current understanding of physics. For example, the way that these particles can travel through space, carrying this much energy without seeming to produce any detectable effects, raises important questions. How can a particle with so much power move through the universe without causing a significant impact on the surrounding environment? This is a question that scientists are still grappling with, as the Amaterasu particle, and others like it, seem to challenge our very understanding of how the universe operates. To make matters even more intriguing, the origin of the Amaterasu particle is shrouded in mystery. It appears to have come from a region of space known as the local void. This area is particularly perplexing to astronomers because it's essentially a vast, empty space in the universe. At least, it appears to be empty. The local void doesn't emit light, it doesn't have any visible stars or galaxies, and it doesn't produce radiation or detectable forces. It's been a subject of intense study for years because of its peculiar nature. The Amaterasu particle's origins in this void forced scientists to reconsider what they know about space. Could there be unknown, highly energetic phenomena hiding within the void, far beyond anything we can currently detect? This discovery is pushing the boundaries of our scientific understanding and opening up entirely new avenues of research. However, before we start imagining that the Amaterasu particle is some kind of cosmic threat or harbinger of doom, it's important to clarify that the particle itself has no direct impact on Earth or life as we know it. While the discovery of such an energetic particle is groundbreaking, it's not something that poses a threat to our planet. Particles like the Amaterasu particle have always been a part of the cosmic events that shape our universe. They have been flying through space for eons, and now, thanks to more advanced technology, we're simply able to detect them. The arrival of the Amaterasu particle is simply another example of the vast and intricate workings of the universe that we are only beginning to understand. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Amaterasu particle, aside from its energy, is the potential it holds for revolutionizing the way we think about technology and energy. Right now, the discovery of particles like the Amaterasu particle is a source of great excitement and wonder, but in the future, it could lead to practical applications that we can't even begin to imagine. For instance, scientists have long dreamed of harnessing the power of cosmic rays or other high-energy particles as a potential energy source. The energy contained in particles like the Amaterasu particle could, in theory, be used to power entire cities, much like we use solar energy today. While we're not quite there yet, the idea of capturing cosmic energy and converting it into usable power is a tantalizing possibility. Imagine a future where we can harness the incredible energy of particles from deep space, providing us with an inexhaustible, clean, and sustainable source of power. Moreover, the discovery of such high-energy particles could lead to breakthroughs in materials science. As we continue to study particles like the Amaterasu particle, we may uncover new properties of matter that allow us to develop entirely new materials with extraordinary characteristics. These materials could have applications in everything from computing to construction to medicine. Imagine materials that are superconducting at room temperature, or plastics that break down and decompose after just a few months or years. With a deeper understanding of the forces at play within these particles, we could create technologies that we can only dream of today. And the potential of particles like the Amaterasu particle doesn't stop there. One of the most exciting possibilities is the impact it could have on communication technologies. Right now, we're limited by the speed and capabilities of current communication systems. But as we continue to unravel the mysteries of subatomic particles, it's not hard to imagine a future where we can send information across vast distances in the blink of an eye. The study of particles could allow us to develop new ways of communicating that are faster, more efficient, and far beyond anything we currently understand. Some scientists even believe that studying these particles could one day lead to breakthroughs in the search for extraterrestrial life. If we can learn to harness these particles for communication, who's to say we won't be able to make contact with other civilizations in the far reaches of the cosmos? Perhaps one of the most profound ways in which the study of particles like the Amaterasu particle could impact our lives is through medicine. Particle physics has already made strides in improving our understanding of how particles interact with biological tissue. In the future, this knowledge could allow us to develop targeted treatments for diseases like cancer, by using particles to deliver treatments directly to the molecular level. The ability to manipulate particles at such a precise level could also lead to breakthroughs in genetic therapies, allowing us to correct genetic defects at their source. The implications for medicine are enormous, and while we may not be on the cusp of these breakthroughs just yet, the foundation is being laid right now. As we continue to make discoveries like the Amaterasu particle, we find ourselves standing at the threshold of a new era of scientific understanding. It's a time of unprecedented curiosity, where the boundaries of what we know are constantly being expanded. And while we've made incredible strides in our understanding of the universe, we're still just scratching the surface. Every new particle discovered opens up new questions, new mysteries, and new possibilities. The Amaterasu particle is a perfect example of this. Its discovery forces us to rethink everything we know about space, energy, and matter. It challenges our understanding of the universe, while at the same time offering us a glimpse of a future where we can harness the forces of the cosmos for the benefit of humanity. In the grand scheme of things, the Amaterasu particle is a small piece of the puzzle. But as we continue to study it and other particles like it, we're slowly piecing together a bigger picture. The universe is a vast, complex, and interconnected web, and each particle is a messenger, carrying information about the forces and events that have shaped it. By studying these particles, we're learning not just about the building blocks of matter, but also about the very structure and evolution of the universe itself. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding the ultimate questions that have fascinated humanity for centuries. How did the universe come to be? What are its fundamental laws? And, perhaps most intriguingly of all, what is the true nature of reality itself? While we may never have all the answers, the pursuit of knowledge in the world of particle physics is a journey worth taking. And as we continue to make groundbreaking discoveries like the Amaterasu particle, we can only imagine the incredible advances that lie ahead. We are living in a time of scientific revolution, and the possibilities are endless. The world of subatomic particles holds secrets that are far beyond our current understanding, but with each discovery, we're one step closer to unraveling them. And who knows? Maybe, just maybe, the key to understanding the universe, and even the meaning of existence, lies in the smallest particles that make up everything around us.